Hi guys, there's been a question about how to share annotations from teacher to student through the ebook. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do that today. When you're in your dashboard, you're going to click on the student ebook and you're going to go into a text that you've been working on. Um, to make a note, you highlight the text and then you're going to have that add a note button that's going to pop up and you click that and your left sidebar of My Notes is going to be opened. You choose whether you want the text to be underlined or highlighted and what color you want it to be. I'm going to go with highlight and I'm going to choose pink. And I'm going to write a note to my students. So I'm going to say, why um, the author capitalize this portion of the text. Once I'm ready to share this note, I am going to hover over the black icon that looks like a phone, and you'll see the note that says Share To. I click it, and I have the option to share with either of my classes that I have, or I can click the down arrow and choose particular students that I want to share the note with. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose the fake class. I'm going to hit the back button on my note and then click Save. Once I've saved this note, this little envelope icon is going to appear in the student ebook. So when the students open their ebook, they will see that little icon and they can click on it and it will open up the note for them that you wrote in their ebook. It's as simple as that.